How to turn on safe mode on your Android device. Safe mode is available on all of the Android devices and is quite helpful to find whether a third-party app is causing any kind of problem on your phone or the internal apps on your phone. So what safe mode does is it will disable all of the third-party apps that you've downloaded afterwards, and only the original ones will work that is inbuilt on your phone. Now, in order to turn your safe mode on, just hold down your power button until you see this option, and once you see this, just long press on your power off button and you'll see the safe mode. Now if you tap on it, it will restart your phone, and it will once your phone is rebooted, it will be on the safe mode. So I'm just going to show you right here. I'm just going to restart my phone real quick. As you guys can see, I have turned on safe mode successfully, and all of my third-party apps, or the apps that I've downloaded after, are now grayed out and I cannot use them. And there is a small indication of safe mode at the bottom left as well, you can see. And if your safe mode is turned on and if you're still having the trouble, then that probably means some of your inbuilt apps are causing the trouble. So you might want to go to your service center and take a look on your phone. But if your problem stops after your safe mode is turned on, then that probably means one of these third-party apps are causing the problem. So you might want to go through them and delete the app that's causing the problem. And that's how you can turn on safe mode on Android. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.